So now that I'm connected, it's quiet. What are we doing for music? I feel so weird just going to SoundCloud right now. Just gonna play from this list, all right? Let's all chill out. Let's just chill out.
Are you ready to grovel at my feet and beg for forgiveness?
If living means bowing down to the likes.
Hello, what's happening guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fire effect in video. So let's get started. I already added a sample video in timeline. And this time I add custom fire effect in this particular video. Alright, to do this, at first open your browser and then go to youtube.com. And in search box simply type black fire background. And now I hit on enter. And here we see some different results. And this time I download this first one. I just open this app. I normally use 4K video downloader to download YouTube videos. I just copy this URL and click on paste link. And the software automatically parsing this video and I save it in desktop, and now I hit on download. Our downloading is now complete. Now I just import this in this media section. Alright, now I drag it in timeline. Now I resize this fire effect a little bit and set it here. Alright, now I just simply right click on this and click green screen. And now select effect and check this. Make parts of the clip transparent. And now I increase this intensity level and set it in 70. And finally hit on OK. Let's play this clip now.
So now that I'm connected, it's quiet. What are we doing for music? I feel so weird just going to SoundCloud right now. Just gonna play from this list, all right? Let's all chill out. Let's just chill out.
Are you ready to grovel at my feet and beg for forgiveness?
If living means bowing down to the likes of you bastard.
Alright, in this easy way, we can easily add custom fire effect in our any video clip. Thank you so much for watching.